You loved my 5 ingredient no yeast naan, but this is the real deal. We're going full traditional today. Yeast, eggs, butter, oil, yogurt, the works. Watch that golden goodness pour into the flour. That is pure joy. And now comes my favorite part. Kneading this dough for 3 to 5 minutes? Pure meditation. Feel the rhythm, work out the stress, and create something beautiful, therapeutic, and delicious. While our dough rests for an hour, yes, patience is key here, let's make some garlic butter. Because plain naan is nice, but garlic butter naan is essential. Chop cilantro, garlic, add some salt, and bring this goodness to boil, just to boil. And look how this dough has risen. It's time to roll. And roll thin. Let's divide into 16 equal parts. Time to cook. Watch those bubbles form. That's your sign it's perfect. Those char marks, chef's kiss. Now let's brush on that garlic butter while it's piping hot. Soft, pillowy, garlicky perfection, worth every minute of that meditation session. Trust me, once you make naan with yeast, there's no going back. Brush on and let it soak into every layer. Stack them up like the beautiful buttery tower of joy they are. Look at the stack, soft and warm. This is what an hour of patience gets you. This is why we take the time. This is why we knead, we wait, we make it right. Sure, my 5 ingredient version is great for busy nights, but this is for when you want to really treat yourself. Recipes in the comments. Now go make some magic. And if you enjoyed this recipe, hit the like button and subscribe for the next one.